Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your favorite games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you want to do is to open your App Store. Now, or if you're using Play Store, just search for your TikTok. Now, once you search for your TikTok on App Store or Play Store, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. You need to make sure you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now, once you have updated your TikTok to the latest version, just go ahead and open your TikTok application over here. So just open your TikTok. Now, once you open your TikTok, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Click on that and you can see settings and privacy. Before you start your live, you need to make sure you have enough storage, so you can see free app space. Just click on that and then clear cache and then also clear storage of your TikTok account. Now, once it is done, go back and then you can see data saver. You need to make sure your TikTok is not on data saving mode. Now, once you are done, just go back and then you can see the the plus sign in the middle over here. Click on that and scroll to where you can see live. Now, once you scroll to where you can see live, you can see device camera, you can see mobile gaming, and also you can see live studio. Now, in this case, we're gonna use the mobile gaming because we want to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Now, before you start, you can just set your live goal over here. You can see add a live goal, and you can see the top here, you can see topic, but I have already selected the game over here. But you can click on that and select the game that you want to play. So just select the game over here. We have Call of Duty, eFootball, Subway, so many games over here. But if your game is not here, you need not to worry about. You can scroll to the last end and then click on the last option, which says other game. So just select your game, and once you have selected your favorite game, you can see portrait mode. Some of the games will appear in portrait mode and others too will appear in landscape mode. So you have to be you need to make sure you just play the game that you selected over here. Now you can see settings over here. Click on settings and you need to make sure you set your video quality. You can also set a moderator over here. You can see moderator. You can set you can add a moderator to manage your comments, your comment settings for you. And you can see video quality over here. Just select video quality and you need to make sure it is on the first option so that you can get a good video quality. So select the first one, and once you are done, all you want to do is to just click on go live over here. And once you click on go live, all you want to do is to just come here and then select the game that you want to play. So this is very simple. So with this, you can go live on TikTok at any time. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,